Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel. In this episode we're back at Hamilton Hill and we're joined by...
Sammy! He's back! First ride back. Let's crack on.
Right, Sammy's first run down Hamilton Hill. We're training with Jason Lee. I'll go at the back, Sammy lead us out. Go on boys, go on dude. Put it in bottom gear. La la la.
Too fast that one.
That was good that, mate.
Nice bikes today, isn't it?
Right, let me give you a little walk around the bikes that we're out with today. So we've got Lee and a beautiful Santa Cruz Bronson. Nice tan walls. What do you reckon to it, Lee?
It's nice now you've serviced it, Gav.
Oh yeah, I serviced it.
Running sweet.
Sweet.
It's too good for me.
Happy birthday, Lee.
Thank you.
And we'll move on to Jason's Pivot March 6 Carbon. Also a lovely little bike. How do you like your bike, JC?
All ready for cracking on.
Cracking on.
Cracking on.
Look at all the colour coded. JC's really into his bling, as you can tell. Very nice. And then we have Sammy on his trek. How was your first run, dude?
Yeah, loving it to be fair. Just need to get back on it, do it more. And get
How's
back
the elbow?
riding. Yeah, alright, with these on, you feel a lot better.
All padded up like a good lad?
But yeah, getting there. We'll get there.
Sweet.
We'll get there.
Right, let's go for another run. Right, going for a full speed run. Hi buddy.
Anyone that made it down, kid? Jason nearly come off.
Really?
First big tabletop. He went like
Is he
that,
alright?
did a little whip with his thingy, landed funny.
Come on, Jay.
You alright? Anyone that made it down, kid?
That was some sweet follow cam, Jace.
So we've crossed over Willingham Woods car park, come to another part of Willingham Woods, I think. Yeah, Lee? Another part of Willingham Woods, do we know?
Yeah, I just followed
Gav,
you
do we
lot.
know? We're just following the pro on his pivot.
Well,
Oh,
I brought us here and I get lost a lot.
it does. And now the pro Jace is going to show us how to bounce on his back wheel. Take it away, Jace. Look at this, look at this.
Wow.
Fox, if you're watching, he wants signing up. Fox Racing or
Got
Pivot.
one little spot for another sticker.
Oh, look at that, look. Skillage. Any more? Oh, any more for any more. Look at this.
You take Gav's bike out at the same time.
This guy's a proic. Oh, 180, here we go.
Hey.
Look at that, this guy, skillage.
Skills. He's got the skills that pays the bills.
Look at
Just
that.
waiting for red.
So hey everyone, this is a few days later. We had a great night the other night with the boys. Jay's showing off his silky skills. Sam's elbow is pretty much fully mended. And Lee out for his birthday ride. Happy birthday, Lee. So I'm now at Sherwood Pines and I'm going to do my XC training. See if I can't beat 49 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's crack on. Right, Kitchener Trail. Let's go. Clipped in. No. That hurt. Proper cracked me knee like a beast. So, we've had a bit of an accident. I went around the berm too fast, went to put my foot down, totally forgot I was clipped in, and took the brunt of all the pain straight in the knee. And now my knee is swollen up like a balloon. So I've been demoted to this beast. So I guess that's it for the riding today, ladies and gentlemen. As far as the Beard, Bye Bye Beard fundraiser for children in need going, we're doing really well. I think we're at 240 something pound and 240 something subscribers. So remember, tell your friends to subscribe, and if you can donate, please donate. There's a link in the description. Massive shout out to these Troy Lee T-bone knee pads. As you can see, they did a great job of protecting my knee. There's no cuts, scrapes or anything. Great bit of kit that. So thanks, ladies and gents. Catch you in the next one.